I thought it was me. And I'm really happy I figured out that it is not me. And I'm going to show you what I mean when it comes to using Amazon native search ads. You see this here, the search bar right here, Amazon? Well, I really want that to be a native ad like this, speaking about a specific product. Alessi Foods, but I own the blockchain domain .crypto. Let me go back here. Eventually, that's going to look like this ad. And it did. Then I realized when I signed in today, I have some personal information blocked out. I said, what do you know? I thought I made a mistake. There's something going on with Amazon. They're changing things. And this is very good to show you if you're building a solid platform, website platform to build on. Because this is how it shows. The example of the native ad should populate here. And it has many times. There is something going on online. They're making a lot of changes. And they're coding everything to match up. But why show you this? Because when I go into my back end, I use a plugin, Ad Inserter Pro. I took some of the code out to protect my personal information. But this is a block created for Alessi Foods. You see that? And why would I do that? Because I'm in the process of upgrading, adding fresh new content, upgrading, making it better. And I have like 20 pages that I created in the beginning stages leading to Alessi Foods. Why would I do that? I had an opportunity to buy a bunch of unstoppable domains, blockchain domains, and I got like $4,000 worth for free a couple of years ago. So I started doing research on brand names. And it's one of the brand names that was available. Let me show you before I move forward so you understand where I'm coming from. We are very early in the game. Anyone who's into this Web3, AlessiFoods.crypto. In the Google Chrome browser, there is an extension that redirects, because I set it up that way, to AlessiFoods.crypto. If you missed the .com boom, you should jump on to the blockchain boom, because it's here. And I created this page, and all of these links lead to other pages I'm working on, I'm updating, I'm adding, informative content. It's not so plain. But for now, I have it directing to this web page, which leads to all these other pages. So the reason why I'm showing you this, it's not always your fault. Amazon is making changes. So what's good about showing you this is, I don't want to get off track. I want to make this as short as possible. Here's a few pages I have open. You see the search? The Amazon search, Amazon search. Well, when Amazon finally fixes, let me get there. Where are we with Amazon? Oh, I had a picture. When Amazon finally fixes this, because it's Alessi Foods, it's going to show a native ad like this with Alessi Foods in the search bar on the top. Now, I'm happy this happened, because when they take something down and start changing, eventually, someday, Amazon's going to create a new kind of ad code, just like all the other programs. They constantly evolve and change. All I have to do is go into the ad inserter, replace the code here, and the native ad, or whatever they call it, the next generation of native ads, it will change the ad on top of this content on all the pages that I'm updating. See, I'm going through them all because this is something I did in the beginning, and not knowing what I was doing and kept trying taught me how to create my foundation, my website foundation. And you have to set it up where if something changes in the future, I don't know, they might call them boogeyman ads. Right now they're called native ads, and they're already making changes. That will show up where it will show all Alessa Foods. The point of using the Ad Inserter Pro, I only have to change one ad. And if I have 20 pages promoting Alessa Foods, that's what I'm writing content. I'm keeping what I have. It's by choice. And I'm promoting the products they sell using Amazon ads. I don't have to, change the ad on every page. I just have to change it in Ad Inserter. But it wasn't me. I thought it was me. It's not. They're making changes. So when they start evolving into some other coding, whatever they word it, I just have to change one ad. And that will show the ad on top, matching the Alessa Food topic. I'm just using that blockchain domain for this example because I realized that's not me today. Today I realized that. And it's just a blockchain doing research. I own a lot of blockchain domains. I own Alessa Foods. I own a couple of app wallets and Bulldog Foods. And I'm going to go for it. I'm going for it. I own BM, Beans, Brad's Organic, .crypto, 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 .crypto. Most of these I earned. I didn't buy them. Chock full of nuts, my favorite coffee. Coffee loves me. I have big plans to continue to use these blockchain domains, these .cryptos, because that's a part of the future of the web. That's a part of the Web 3. And I can sign in. I signed into Unstoppable Domains. I figured it out. Using this blockchain domain. Using it. I didn't even sign in with my email. That's the future. You got to get used to it. We are part of the 1%. Get ahead. I wish I had more time to do more research to find more, but you never know what's going to happen in the future. And I also, because I found their name, I started buying their products. And this is one of the many products I buy of theirs. The sun-dried tomatoes, I love them. I put them in my pasta and my sauce. I dice them up. They're so good. They're so good. So I wanted to show you this because it's not you. If this happens to you and you have everything organized, the native ad will start showing here again when Amazon fixes it on their end, because none of the ads were coming up. And they should be coming up. They should, when I type in the default search term and create the code, it should show all Alessa Foods. And I have it redirecting to alessafoods.crypto. Until the next video, don't give up. This is a chance of a lifetime. Don't give up. See you next time. Bye for now.